Hi there, this is Giuseppe Atanasio, and today I'm gonna give you a short overview of Ferret. Ferret is a Python package meant for benchmarking interpretability techniques, so you will find several feature attribution methods, but most importantly, you will find a principled evaluation API to compare them along the properties of faithfulness and plausibility. I can tell you more, the cherry on top is that Ferret is built around transformers, the transformers library, so you can easily integrate Ferret in your pre-existing NLP pipeline. Let me give you a few examples on our live demo. Let's say you have a sentiment analysis task, a sentiment classifier, you choose that from the classical naming convention on Hugging Face, and you choose a target class label you want to explain and evaluate the explanation on, and a given text. You hit run on our demo. You can do that also via code. So we are gonna give you first the prediction of the model, so you can easily see that the model is misclassifying the sample, since it's not the best comment a movie can receive. You can have a look at the explanations given by our predefined explainers, but most importantly on the faithful, you can evaluate on the faithfulness metrics. Here, the darker the color, the better is the performance. I just don't want to go into details. Feel free to read the paper for the definition of the metrics, but here we can easily spot the partition sharp is giving us the most faithful explanations. Now let's say that we want to assess the quality of the explainer across a set of samples, so we get you covered on the second page of the demo. Here we are testing on the eight explain dataset, so the task is 8 speech detection, so we changed the model, and we are explaining the 8 speech class label across 10 samples. You hit run, and you should quickly have your metrics averaged across the samples. With that said, I thank you for listening, and feel free to reach us if you have any question or doubt. Thank you.